Y'all scared me.
Oh gosh, it says dead end.
Oh my god. We finna die.
I get my revenge when I drop out my pictures. I'm pretty like art, bitch. I look like a fixture. I get my revenge when I see gang like Aspen. All the pretty girls know they gotta tap in.
What's up, guys? It's Kennedi and Nicole. I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be shooting a bonfire vlog with my roomie.
Okay, we're going to the bonfire.
You
Yes, recording right now.
Okay, it's recording. Okay, so we're on the way to the bonfire. It's 10:26 p.m.
Yeah, we're finally on the way. We've been ready since like 7. I don't see a bonfire, and that's making me nervous because it's supposed to be right up here.
Where?
It's supposed to be to the left.
Y'all scared me.
Oh gosh, it says dead end.
Oh my god. We finna die. Oh, crazy. I did that like I have like, this is my hair right there. I'll be pulling it forward like it's a wig.
Y'all should say, see y'all, and when you get out, and slap the camera.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Wait, no.
You can see how it's fire. So the bonfire got shut down. We're gonna go to the second location. I'm with Jasmine, Tanaya. Y'all, look at all these people. We're in a country. But still a baddie as always.
Period.
Nothing left to say, like,
Period.
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 Period. Period.
Period.
And I'll see y'all at the next location.
All the pretty girls know they gotta tap in.